going on, guys? What the hell are you doing here? Well, it's nice to see you guys. Didn't even expect you to be here, but it's nice to see you guys. Caught me at the perfect timing because we're gonna have a little unboxing to do here, okay? We're gonna be showing you what's in this bad boy and what's in this bad boy, okay? I haven't even opened it yet, so it's my first time along with you guys. So I'll be testing it out. We're going over the pros and cons of whatever's in here and whatever's in here. And we'll check you guys out in a minute, all right? And thanks for popping in. I didn't even expect you guys to be here. That was wild. Wild. See you in a second. Alright guys, so it's the Clouded Barber back at it with another video. Today we are going to be unboxing something from Hoto, just like my last video. The difference is this time it's not a screwdriver. This time it's something that we all essentially need at our stations. Something to get rid of all the hair on our station, away from the floor. You don't want to put wear and tear on your blow dryer, right? Because you want that for strictly blowing hair, drying hair, styling hair. You want something that's strictly to get rid of all the hair off your station and off your floor. Hoto sent me this because they saw that you know, the last video was picking up a bit of traction. They sent me over their blower. I think it's a vacuum as well. So you can use this on your tools, your keyboards, whatever you decide to use it on. Let's get to opening the box and we will show you what's inside. This is my first time opening it as well. I have no clue what's inside. I mean, I've seen videos of it. It looks pretty cool. Let's open it up, see what it's all about. Hopefully you guys will like it. Hopefully I'll like it and we can all use it together, maybe. So let's check it out. All right, guys, so this is the box, the Hoto. Pretty nice box, simple, straightforward. These are blowers, these are your suckers. And on the back here, the Hoto compressed air capsule model QWCXJ001. The dimensions are 55 by 56 by 163.5 millimeters. Bare machine without the accessories. The weight is approximately 356 grams. The max suction is 15,000 PA. Storage temperature -10 to -45. Battery type lithium ion battery. Battery capacity 1900 mAh. Rating input 5 volts, 3 amps. Charging time approximately 2.5 hours, and all the manufacturing information. Package contents: Hoto compressed air capsule, movable brush vacuum head, short air valve, long air valve, dust cup, swim ring air valve, vacuum deflating connector, charging cable, and user manual and storage bag. We have our manual, we have our USB charging cord, we have our carrying bag. This is our first attachment. I'm assuming this is probably the sucker. Pull it down, now it's a brush and sucks. It's kind of cool. Second attachment. And our third attachment. This is the actual compressor. It's not compressor. Well, yeah, I guess compressor. Compressor blower, inlet outlet. And that is the actual machine itself. Here's your USB-C charging. Power off, power on. All right, guys, so we're back up top. I basically just wanted to show you guys up close what was in the box and how everything was packaged, but now we're up at this view. I want to show you exactly how these attachments work. Like we said before, it says inlet and outlet, so blow and suck, right? You got your little dot here. You want to throw it, unlock, right? And then you want to twist it over to lock. That's not going anywhere. Turn it on. Oh yeah. That's sucking. That's some good sucking. The next attachment also works alongside this attachment. So this is more for like your keyboard, stuff like that, right? So you basically pop it in the top, here, click, turn it on. You can clean your keyboard, you know, stuff like that, where you have to be gentle, where it's just kind of like surface dust. So that's pretty cool. You can also cock it back so you have like a full vacuum if you got to get into some tight places while you're using the brush, right? The next one is a swim ring valve, which we're not going to be using. That's for, I guess, your inflatable toys, stuff like that, like pool toys and stuff. And this one here is a vacuum deflating connector, which is more so for like your, I guess like your inflatable mattresses and stuff like that, right? So we're not going to be using that in this situation. You have your precision blower, which gets into more tighter places if you need to blow stuff out, and then you have your more low profile blower, which expands more of a blast. So the way these work, this is inlet, so it's sucking air in, so you want to flip it around to the blowing side. Pop this in and you hear a click, noticeable click. Your precision blower outlet, same way. Pop her in, twist it, hear a noticeable click. You guys can see there's like hair and garbage built up there. Check this out. It's on. Your tool is clean as a baby's bottom. And I just realized there's actually 2 speeds to this. Hold and push it, high speed. Click it once, low speed. That is pretty impressive too. That's cool. All right, so let me give you guys a couple examples. I got some hair still here from earlier today. I tried to keep it because first thing you got to do is charge this to full before you use it. So I left all this hair here. So I'm basically gonna pile it all up and show you guys exactly how it blows and how it sucks. And you guys be the judge and let me know in the comment section below what you think, all right? We are going to do a blow test with the low profile. Okay guys, so now if you want to suck up some stuff like dust and hair and stuff around your station, you basically use this attachment, throw it in here where it says outlet, whoops, wrong way, inlet because we're sucking, clip her in and twist it over to this little arrow, push and hold, turn it on. And just clean up the area, you know what I mean? At the end of the day, I really like this guy. It's really innovative. I think it's a great machine. The suction, it's very good for smaller things such as dust, you know, stuff like that. But more like dense materials such as like clumps of hair and stuff, maybe it's not the greatest for it. The thing that stands out the most to me is the blowing on this thing. Like I could have hair all the way over here and pop it at it and it just blows everything away. Hoto, I think you did a really good job on this. You might want to somehow make a larger attachment that can fit on here and possibly be able to suck up a little bit more dense materials. This will definitely be on my station. I'll be using it like crazy, blowing off my station, my tools. Please leave your comments in the section below. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. It does help the algorithm push my channel all over YouTube. And also I'll leave in the description below where you can buy this and a coupon code so you guys can get your percentage off. I think it's 5 or 10%, but I'll leave it in the description below. Just click the link, order it, put in my coupon code, and boom, you're good to go. One thing I forgot to mention as well, I don't know if you guys have ever seen anything like this. It's like a 24-in-1 precision screwdriver, but it's manual, it's not automatic. It's got a magnetized lid, won't fall out, and it has all the precision heads you need. And this will definitely come in handy if you got to fix small electronics. I think this is awesome. And then you pop it off, you just push it with your finger, take one out, all magnetized. I love seeing you guys, and I hope you really enjoyed the video, and we'll definitely see you on the next one. Guys, it was a pleasure. Keep it real, stay blessed, much love, and we'll see you on the next video, okay? Clouded Barber signing out.